Good morning from San Francisco. It's our last day. We are leaving for the airport tonight. We're leaving our hotel right now. Bags are packed. We're gonna go explore the city one last time and then make our way to the Alaskan Lounge. Yes, we're going back. We're really excited. Our trip to use one of these and we haven't gotten it to work till now, and we're gonna ride it to the Ghirardelli factory. How excited are you?
Don't know how to ride it, don't know how to...
We might crash.
The go button isn't working. Oh wait, kick?
Oh my god, okay, hold on. We're both gonna have to, because the other ones aren't working.
I don't even know if I could do this, babe. Hey, come on, we're going.
Okay.
We're going. We're going. It's not going. Okay. Hey, Mackenzie, you better hang on to me, okay? Stop.
Oh my god.
Okay, get up. Get up.
Oh my god, my leg is burning. I had to hold like both of our weight onto the back foot. We accomplished a ride. We did it. And then we helped like an older couple do it, like we're pros or something.
Yeah, that was all fun.
That was fun. Welcome to Lombard.
Lombard.
So we're walking down like one of the most famous streets in San Francisco, and it's called Lombard Street.
Lombard.
It's like Lombard.
Lombard, yeah.
It's the crooked street, and it just like literally zigzags like crazy. And I remember when I was a kid, I drove down it with my parents, and my dad was like yelling out to all the neighbors, and now we're the ones walking down. Okay, so the history, I just looked it up on Wikipedia, and the history of the Crooked Street of Lombard was designed in 1922 after it was determined that 20% grade of the hill was too steep for most vehicles and even pedestrians. The switchbacks were designed to increase the ability to travel safely on Lombard. The one-way street was paved with red bricks, and it's now famously crooked fashion, and a recommended speed of 5 miles per hour was established. Okay, so basically they created it because it was too steep to just go straight on down, so they just made it really wavy and made it 5 miles per hour, so no accidents. But wouldn't it be crazy like to live on one of these streets?
Heck yeah. I actually can't imagine living here.
I know, crazy. Cause
I mean, like, even the driveways, pulling into the driveways is a bit of a... Takes a bit of skill, you know?
Totally, but like it would be really cool to live right here. I mean, but then again, lots of visitors, lots of people 24/7 might be annoying.
Yeah, bit of a challenge, but I guess if you live here, they're used to it.
Yeah. absolutely buzzing because because we upgraded our seats to first class. No way did we just upgrade to first class. Because they were $20 to upgrade, and why not? And then now we're sitting in the Alaskan Lounge because why not? Because we did on the way here and it was amazing, and we got free dinner, so that's what we're doing. And we're just watching our videos, doing more homework, and we board in about like 2 hours ish, but to first class, which will be both of our first time in first class, which would be exciting.
I'm looking forward to the leg room.
Yeah. So we'll see you there. We're both pretty tired, kapooped from our trip, but it has been a great weekend.
Absolutely.
It's our first time.
All I gotta say is I better have all the leg room.
Yeah.
Or I'll have my money back.
It's literally only an hour flight. Like, I'm kind of upset that we did it for an hour flight, but it's still gonna be great.
All the leg room.
Yeah. We just got home and I am so tired. Now I have to drive 30 minutes to my house and I work in the morning, but thanks so much for watching the vlog and have a great night.